What's up? You ready to go racing? No. That's what we can start on. What's up? You ready to go racing?
No.
No. So we've got completely stock car. All we did was change the drive shaft. So we're trying to let it cool off, try to get conditions somewhat consistent with what they were last time. Last time you went 1350. Do you remember what? Oh, you got time slip. You got a lot of time slips. It's in here somewhere, right?
1358.
So we went 1358 last time at 104, 210 60 foot. So let's see if we can best on that today.
Yeah, that's the last best I made.
Well, what was it? 1358?
Yeah.
That was the very last one? Yeah, that was the one I missed last time. So it wasn't in the last video. So what do you think we're going to do today?
Similar conditions. I was going to say stickier track, but someone slicked it down, so we'll see about that.
That's real nice.
But should be about the same.
Think it's about the same?
Unless the drive shaft makes a difference, and then it should be better.
Do you think the drive shaft will make a difference?
Honestly, I don't think it will.
You don't think so?
I don't think so.
I'm curious to see. It'll be a good test.
Did you go a lot of times without us watching?
I've not been it all yet.
There's a long wait. We have a long wait. A lot of cars here today. All right, Angel's got this C5 vet. Let's see how she can do. In the on-3 turbo car, single 7675, Gen 2 truck motor, Gen 1 or 2 truck trans, I don't know. Shoot, I smell clutch. Somebody's car anyway. Come on, Chris, let's get her to go. Track's pretty marginal, hopefully it doesn't spin. He's up against a diesel. Here's a buddy's car, Weston ESS Supercharged S5. That is the first time I've ever had a car pop and actually hurt my ears bad. This right here is a Alpha 14 GTR, so I'm told. Guy hauled it in with a track hawk and an enclosed trailer. Pretty wild. White car in the left lane. I just ended up helping that guy do a Pro Charger melt on the in the pits just a minute ago. Pretty rowdy car. All right, Angel. So our last pass, We set a new PB. We went exactly 2/10 faster with just a drive shaft. Let's see if she can go any faster this time. We gave it the same amount of time of cool down. It's about the same temperature. Should be good to go. Man, that sticker sure is pretty. Shoo. Ready? And go. BMP Gen 3R, I believe. Wow, 1083, 135. You very well might see that car in a future video. Kings in town. Come on, Joe. Come on. Look at that smoke coming out of the fuel door. Wow. 1038, 135. Not a snowball's chance in hell of having anything sticky here whatsoever. Nothing. Let's try that. I don't know how that'll do. There's not really anything here. Let's go, buddy. No overboost. Woo! 1023, 141. Track hawk. I think he said it's like intake to an exhaust or something simple like that. Super mild setup. Well, guys, as the track wounds down for the night, Angel got a PB of a 13:38. That is her new personal PB. It's also the first pass of the night, surprisingly, in the heat. Ended up running the best pass it's ever ran. Driveshaft picked up 2/10 on that pass. Next pass was a little slower. The rest of them I don't actually really even remember. So hopefully you guys liked the video. I'm gonna get out of here. I got a hot date with Applebee's. I will catch you guys next time. Like always, make better choices, and we will see you next time. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and make sure you hit the bell so that you guys get notifications whenever I post the next video, because the next couple are gonna be pretty hot. You're gonna wanna see them. Peace.
Right-hand side. I'm curious to see this.